As an administrator, you can recover permanently deleted drive files or folders for a user within 25 days since they were deleted from the trash folder in your Google Admin Console at admin.google.com. Go to Users and click Manage. Hover over the user you'd like to recover files for and select the More Options drop-down that will appear next to it. From the drop-down, go to Restore Data. Enter the date range in which the files were removed from trash. And under Application, choose Drive. And finally, click Restore. The files and folders deleted within the period of time selected will be restored to their original location. This process may take several days depending on the amount of data being restored. For more help, check out the Recover Deleted Files and Folders for Drive Users page in the Google Workspace Admin Help Center.